tough.
Am I sticking with you all, or where am I going?
Oh yeah, just kind of everyone stick together, but not too close. Don't want to raise suspicion.
Let's go.
Heard.
Just turn off here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Stay your business.
Visitation.
How long?
2 weeks.
Where are you from?
Texas. Long Beach, Texas.
You got any ID on you?
Yes, sir. There you go.
Alright, you're free to go.
Thank you, sir.
Come out.
Hello.
Stay your business.
I'm on business trip. Where to? A house across. I'm a Tepix employee and I'm talking about a new biological research facility.
Alright. You may go.
Thank you, sir.
Stay your business.
Here, we'll just kind of wait at the corner store here. Right. Wait for all of our boys to get here.
Hey,
Howdy, officer.
are you the one leading all this visitation? They seem to not know why you guys are here.
They ain't with me, sir.
Hoping
I'm
you
here
can
on
tell
my
me
own
that.
free will.
Said I'd be
I'm here
here.
on my own accord.
I said I'd be here.
Does anybody know all of them back here? Anyone
No.
visiting with them?
I don't think anyone knows
Picking me up.
each other. We just kind of congregated right here, decided to socialize.
Alright.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Got to know each other a little on the bus right here,
Pleasure.
but other than that.
Well, it seems like they don't know who you guys are.
I think fucking Finn got held up.
Mind me explaining why you're here?
I think Finn got held up by law enforcement.
Brennan brought me here. You know what I'm saying? When they come out.
Good copy.
I want you to
We'll
stay.
see.
There's no place to be.
Who you planning to stay?
I don't know yet. We need to contact
Here,
him and
hold on.
figure out where he is.
As soon as you do, let your local authorities know.
Question, sir. Y'all got a brochure I may be able to obtain?
Not to my knowledge, no, sir.
Alrighty, thank you, officer.
No problem.
And I'm also with him for same thing. ID. Yeah.
Okay.
The Arab got us held up.
Who's she?
Oh, we're just trying to find our friend.
The Arab guy.
I understand.
The Buttercream Town.
Alrighty.
Anything
One of my
good?
favorite jokes. Is this your first time flying? No, but it will be my last.
No, sure, she gonna be my last.
Yeah, everyone's bitching out here.
Go somewhere, don't look obvious.
Where's the local?
My condolences. How long are you planning to stay? A week, maybe two. Okay. May their family be blessed. You're free to go. Come up, sir. Bless you.
This place sure don't look like Boston. I'll
Wait for
tell you
the
that
bag man
much.
to get up here.
Stay your business.
Yeah.
Shopping spree. I'm gonna be here for about a month.
We're almost made.
Shopping for.
It's true.
There you go. Okay. Everything checks out. You're free to move. Thank you. As for
Hey, uncle, there you are. It's a real lovely day in fucking Virginia. Real nice day. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's fucking move.
Oh, Christ.
Evening, officer.
If you have any bags on you, go ahead and sit on that side. How are you guys doing that?
I got nothing on me at the moment, sir. Just here for a quick visitation, about 2 weeks. Some family.
2 weeks?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Dying mother lives this way.
Mother,
Yeah.
you have any idea on you? Anything?
Yeah. Thomas. Walker.
How old are you?
26.
I wonder where Fenn decided to store up.
You have any bags on you? Anything?
We're gonna do a quick little bit of recon, see where the HVT decided to speak of the fucking devil.
Gentleman out front, shopping spree, gonna be here for a month or two.
What? That one?
To go this way.
HVT.
Or pre-rented an apartment from around the corner.
What's going on? Great day, isn't it?
How are you doing?
I thought this city was like
Doing alright?
off limits.
You have any idea on you? Anything?
I got my idea.
I know I'm late. I know I'm late.
It's alright, brother. I decided to improvise with that show. I was like, hey, uncle.
I forgot we was doing a covert.
It's all good, brother. Let's just go ahead and pick a random fucking building or wait for at least a few more people to get here. I'm really hoping Bad Company doesn't try to pull some
Damn,
slick
no
shit.
compromises.
Yeah.
There's an apartment that's for rent that's all the way down that way, around the corner.
Alright, let's move.
Law enforcement saw us move up here.
Could have been made.
He's questioning someone else at the moment, so I suggest we
Alright,
get
let's
a
go
little
ahead and
more
move.
step.
Shit. Let's go back.
Yeah, I don't want that first guard to see us.
God damn it. Oh, Northwood. Fuck.
No, at first it was 03 for the Marines. Didn't get a high enough score, so I was a grunt. I only got a 34 in the ASVAB. Then I took Army Rangers. Had to go to the academy, but I had to leave the Marines in order to do so.
Howdy.
Didn't pass though.
Howdy. Same here.
I'm gonna go ahead and hide behind these dumpsters. Alrighty. Let's move. I think the others got a little lost.
Hey,
Nope.
HVT found by train tracks.
Shit, that's risky. I just choked out I just choked out a fucking cop.
I
We
mean,
have no
we had a
idea
big
where
enough of a duffel
it
bag.
is.
Yeah.
Put the HVT in there. Put a bunch of
He does have his hand
groceries
with
on
him.
top of them.
Should we grab our gear first, or see what we can do?
I'd like a little.
I already got drinks on me.
Helmet.
Okay.
Notice that they didn't search anybody, by the way.
Let me see. I wonder if I have any minimalistic.
We
gear.
searched one person.
Yeah, you guys
It was
searched
random
one
searches.
guy. I had a M1911 Tranks on me the entire time.
I don't think I have any minimalistic kind of gear. So
So, do we have radio contact with everyone else, or everyone's just on their own?
I think everyone's just kind of on their own.
Alright, so let's go ahead and get this HVT.
Alrighty. Should I gear up?
HVTs. He's up that way. You
Yeah, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go grab my kit real quick.
Things over there. Should I go grab my gear? I ain't got nothing on me. This where the bag is? I'm not so short all of a sudden.
Put out the cigar.
I saw him move. He moved that way. Have our weapons ready. We'll bring my ranger. There he is.
Alright, took out his knees. Wait. Shit.
I-
Here, don't shoot him.
Drinking them.
That's how I was supposed to be. Hold on. Here we go.
Oh, he's under the.
You Weasley son
Who's
bitch.
going under to get him?
Guess I will.
Don't get cut.
I'll try not to.
Tracked.
Let me take that axe. Give me that shit, bitch. Gimme.
Somebody go tell Lydia and get out of this fucking body in the shit. And then to do a real and kind of fucked up on this.
Alright, we'll just carry it in a big ass duffel bag. And so just go invisible, or if you want, go ahead and join up 4. I'm gonna go ahead and put my kit away.
There's
Well-
gonna be a bunch of clothes in that duffel bag.
I'm gonna go dump my gear real quick.
I didn't need to drop it. Leave it.
Yep. Just stash it.
All the cloth, put it in the duffel bag so we can actually hide them.
Yep. Alright, I stuffed clothes, camis, I stuffed it over there. Plate carrier, I put it in a box with my rifle.
That's where I'm
I
at.
took out the bolt carrier group and ammunition.
And just know he's very.
Should I just carry a
much
box around and say
cramped.
it's a duffel bag?
No. We'll just
We
pretend we
folded
got
into a
one on
box.
us. We'll just pretend we got one on us. So you can just go ahead and invisible, go
Okay.
ahead and join up for it. It's up to you, Pen.
I probably should have said somebody. Double bag shabby.
Yeah, just understand that I cannot jump at all. Guys. now.
So who's
Yeah, like that's always fun.
Oh, you are.
I'll go ahead and carry a duffel bag.
You're carrying.
I got duffel bag.
Okay. Well, let's get back to the fucking train, shall we?
At me. Freak me out.
My story was that I'm going on a big shopping spree, so a bunch of
Should we
clothes
radio
in the bag makes sense.
Nah, when we get to
You want me to go
extra, we'll
round
go
it?
ahead and call. What the fuck? Are you joining up for? What are you doing, brother?
Lucy, is there, you need information.
What do you say? Oh, no.
I don't know.
Sorry, give me a minute. And, you might fucking...
Right now.
You got it.
There we go.
There you
Ooh.
Think.
Alright. But no, is that all you needed? Oh my fucking god, screw this lag!
Yeah,
fucking...
if you want to
Ah.
leave, you can leave. If you want to join up for it, you can do whatever the fuck you want, really. We just needed to tag the
Alright.
HVT. So it's
Yeah,
up to you, brother.
Yeah, because I keep having people spam me, so I'm
Yeah,
Go
you're
join
free
them,
to
see
go.
what
That's
they
all
want.
we need.
By the
round
way,
up
You have a good one.
By the way, if they search
Alright.
the bag, I gotta flip a coin.
Alright, let's go find Finn.
Well, where's evac?
The train's here. Goody, you go ahead and take him to the trains. You go ahead and roll out. I'll go ahead and find Finn.
I guess I'll move with you.
Nah, go ahead and join Goody with evac. It's less risky.
10-4.
It is well in my soul. You line your pockets full of money that you steal from the poor. Where's mein Kinder? My Kinder Surprise. Howdy, officer.
Stop right there. You happen to know anything about the local officer that disappeared in this area?
No, sir. I was with my uncle in his apartment.
Need to get familiar with the area.
You have any ID on you?
Yes, sir. Here you go.
What's your name? Hands on the wall so I can pat you down.
Okay. I ain't got nothing on me, officer.
No. It's anything sharp, firearms, things like
No,
that.
sir.
Okay. You happen to know someone named Ethan Bradley?
No, sir.
Alright, you're free to go.
Alrighty. Oof.
He's been staring at us, hasn't he?
Most likely. I was just gonna give him a fine $50.
God damn it. Who's that?
Hey, sir.
Afternoon, boys. What can I get you today?
Nothing as of now.
Go back in
Maybe
public.
later.
Back in
Do you
public.
happen to know anything about Officer Admiral disappearance right across the street from me?
HVT secure.
Hey.
Can't believe that happened to someone. That's about all I know, sir.
Alright.
Sorry.
Excuse
Yeah,
me.
but- idea
Here's
on
the thing.
Sir, this is currently off limits.
Oh, my bust.
Second. There you go.
Thank you. What's your name?
Again, if I hear anything, Ethan Bradley. Read my name.
Ah, okay. Well.
And I'm actually searching for Finn so I can get the fuck out of here. Package secure. Headed to Exville. Should be shipped home.
Where did you disappear to?
Grabbing the HVT, grabbing my gear, dumping gear, getting shit secured.
Was following the HVT. Had to play it off, else I was gonna get in an axe.
Yeah.
Though I fear getting home will be more difficult than getting here.
Nah.
Up security.
We ain't got no. I mean, I did choke out a guard. We kind of stuffed him somewhere.
Got stuffed for a guard.
Yeah, choked him out. But, let's just go ahead and get back to the trains. Come on.
Stand up straight.
Daddy?
I recommend you stay on the sidewalk.
You look like you're trying to take
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna be honest with
Alright.
you. This guy's really like
Yeah, let's see.
It just goes to show how much easier shit is when you actually fucking do it properly. Yeah, I think it's this way.
Yeah, it is.
This was probably our only and first smooth going covert op. Like, I haven't had to kill anyone.
Except joking one out.
Well,
don't
I
kill.
don't know if he's
Not-
dead. But you sure shit don't remember my face. Well, to be fair, I messed the fuck up, so.
Being followed.
So, in the actual reaching out to Viking 1, HVT secured, we're heading home. Anyways, now that he's here.
Go what?